What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the new GALARIAN PONYTA from Pokemon Sword and Shield. We're going to get started over on the left side of our page with the eye. So we start on the outside. I'm going to draw a curve going up towards the top of the eye. Round this out. I'm going to pull this down a little bit lower on the right. Now I want to connect these 2 points with a curve coming down and then back up. Let's add a highlight oval along the top of the eye. So up against the edge of the eye, curve down, and then back up. Now we're going to add a glare along the bottom. Start from the outside corner, I'm going to curve up, and then we're just going to pull that down just left of the inside of the eye. Now we're going to add the front edge of the mane just above the eye. So we're going to step up, we're going to draw a curve, coming down, and then back up. Now let's tuck the ear in behind the mane. From the top, we step down, curve up, out, and then down towards the left. Now I just want to pull this in towards the eye. Curve down, and then in. Let's draw on the inside of the ear. From this point, I'm going to step up, curve up, and then in. Now I'm going to go back to the bottom, to follow that same curve of the ear going up towards the tip. Now I'm going to curve up, and then in. Now let's draw on the right side of the mane. We're going to step down, curve down, round out the mane, and then pull that in. Now we're going to add a horn along the top. We start with the base. Starting from the outside, curve down and up. Now from here we want to curve up and in towards the center point. So let's start on the left side. We're going to go up in an angle, curve in. And then from the bottom, go in the opposite direction. Let's add a stripe in the center of the horn. Starting from the outside, we'll curve down and up. We'll step up and draw that twice. Now we're going to go in and draw on the muzzle. Starting underneath the mane and come down and then out. We're going to round out the muzzle and aim up towards the eye. It's almost like drawing a circle, going around and then up to right about there. Let's go back to the ear. We're going to curve out the jaw and then up. We're going to tuck this in underneath the muzzle. So there's a little bit of an overlap along the top. And then at the bottom, we're going to add the nostril. We're going to draw a short curve going over and then down. Now we're going to see a little bit of the right ear in behind the head. So we'll line this up, curve up and out. I'm going to curve down and then in behind the muzzle. Now let's trace this out. Step up, follow that curve going up, and we'll pull this in behind the mane. Let's draw on the top of the mane. From this point, we're going to step down, do an overlap, curving around. Now we're going to step back again. We're going to go over the horn, and then back down. Let's do that again. We're going to step up, curve up, and then down. Now we're going to add 2 curved horns on the side of the head. Let's start with the first one. We curve down and up. Now from the inside, we're going to curve out and up towards the tip of the horn. And we're going to connect these 2 points with another curve, going all the way around. Let's add another one just below it. Start from the tip of the horn, curve down and in. We're going to round out the base of the horn and go all the way around towards the tip of the horn. Now let's go to the outside of the horn on the left, curve out, and then in. We step back up, we go all the way around the ear, around the tip, and then pull that in. Let's do a little curl at the end. We'll step out, curve down and out, and then we're going to taper that back up and in. Now at the bottom of this curl, we go around, pull that back up. We do one more curl. Coming down and out. Now I'm going to taper this up and in behind the jaw. Now let's move over to the right side and drape the mane over the body. So we start underneath the muzzle, curve down, and then out towards the right. Now we're going to do an overlap. Coming back, curving out towards the right, and then back towards the left. Let's add a point. We're going to taper this back up. We're gonna work our way back up towards the side of the head. So from here, we're gonna step down, draw a curve, going out, and then in. And then step back, do a curl, going out and up. And then we'll taper that back in. Let's do another curl, going around, and then back in. Now we're gonna do an overlap. Step down, curve over that line, in behind the muzzle. Let's draw on the back layer of the mane. Starting up here, we're gonna curve out and down in behind the ear. Now at the bottom of the ear, I'm just gonna curl this up. Let's taper that back down and in. Step out, curve out, and tuck that in. Let's move to the left and draw on the side profile of the body. So underneath the mane, we're gonna start by coming down, curving out, and then we'll round out the body and then pull that in. Now the hind leg is gonna come back down. So we're gonna bend this straight down. Now we're gonna move over towards the right and draw on the front leg. Starting up here, curve out towards the right, and then down towards the same height. Now we're gonna go over towards the right. We're gonna curve in the opposite direction, down towards the bottom of the leg. Let's draw on the lower part of the body. On the side of the leg, we're gonna curve out, and then curve it up. Now we're gonna add the fur cuff around the base of the leg. So from this point, we're gonna step out, curve in, and then down. And we do an overlap. Stepping up, curve up, and then out. Now we're gonna surround the base of the leg with the fur. We step up, curve around, and then in. Go to the inside, and do the same thing. Now we're gonna go to the outside, we're gonna step up, curve around the fur, pull that up. Do the same thing on the right side. Now I'm just gonna close off the bottom. Starting at the bottom here, we're gonna curve down and then tuck that in on the right. Let's do the same thing over on the left. We step out, curve in and down, step up, curve up, in behind the front fur. Now we're gonna see the inside edge of the left leg. So starting underneath the body, curve in and then down towards the fur. Let's add in the fur cuff. Step up, curve around, and in. Step up, curve around, and then in. Draw an overlap along the bottom, underneath the fur in the front. Now I'm gonna go to the right side up here, curve out, and then down. Let's draw on the bottom of the feet. So in line with the left side of the leg, we're gonna step down underneath the fur, curve out and down. Round out the bottom, go back up. I'm gonna pull this straight up underneath the fur. Let's do the same thing on the left. Lining this up, curve out and down. Rounding out the bottom, and I'll pull that straight up. Let's finish drawing the lower part of the mane on the left side. So we're gonna start out here, curve out, and then in. Now we're gonna do an overlap. Stepping out, curve down and up. Taper that back in. Now about halfway, curve out, and then back in. Now from here we're gonna step up, curve down over that line, in towards the leg. We'll do one more curl. Coming down and out, and then tapering that back in behind the leg. Now we'll see a little bit of the mane in between the legs. Starting from the left, we'll curve down and then across. Now we're gonna move over towards the right and draw on the hind leg. Let's start up here, curve down, and then over towards the right. Do a little overlap, stepping back towards the left, curve down, and then over. Now we want to draw on the back of the body. So we start in behind the mane, curve out, round out the back, and we're just gonna pull that in to right about there. We're gonna curve down and out towards the right. Now we're gonna angle down towards the same height that we have on the left. Let's draw that same fur cuff over on the hind leg. So from here, we're gonna step out, curve in and down, step up, and go out towards the right. Now we're gonna step up on the left, curl around and in, do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the left side. We're just gonna round this out, come in, step out, curve down and up. Now we're gonna add a smaller one just along the bottom, curling around. Now we're gonna step over, curve out the side, and then tuck that in on the right. Now let's draw on the bottom of the foot. So down here, we curve out and then down, round out the bottom. I'm gonna go straight up underneath the cuff. Let's close off the bottom of the body. So from this point, step over towards the right side of the leg, curve across, and then up in behind the hind leg. Now we're gonna see the back leg in behind. So about halfway along the belly, curve down and in. We're gonna curve down and over towards the left. Now let's draw on that fur cuff. Step across, curve in and down, step up, curve in behind the front fur. Now you see the back part of the leg here. So I'm just gonna draw an angled line coming down. Let's draw on the top of the fur, curving out and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Now down here, we're just gonna close this off with a curve, and then we'll see the bottom of the foot. We'll start with that curve coming down, rounding out the bottom of the foot, and then we'll go straight up. Let's draw a little bit more of the mane in between the legs. We'll add another curve from left to right. Now the last part, we're going to draw on the tail. We're going to start on the side of the mane and curve up and then down. Then we're going to step up, draw a shorter one going across. Now we're going to overlap this line. Step in, going out, pulling that in. Now we're going to curl down and up towards the right. Taper that back in. Let's draw on the bottom edge of the first layer, curve down and then up, step back and draw another curve in behind the body. Let's draw on the lower part of the tail. Starting underneath this curl, come down and then in. We're going to overlap this with another curve. Step up, curve out, and then back in. Curl this out and taper that back in. Now one more curve, stepping out, curve down and in behind the cuff. And there we have it. There's the Galarian Ponita from Pokemon Sword and Shield. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.